Hello everyone. What happened in the last week? What happened to the market? Whether it was in an uptrend, whether it was in a downtrend, or whether it was in a sideways. So, what were the driving factors for the market, and how actually the market is sensing the global news, local news? So, whether it is India-based, domestic news. So, what sort of influencing factors were there for the market? So, all these things we will come to see in this weekly edition of the weekly market analysis video. So my name is Shashikant. I'm having a 16 plus years of investment bank experience in the investment bank. What all we try to do, which all the price levels we are going to see, and how actually we analyze the market and we take a best trades, and also how to manage the risk, how a normal a beginner trader to the expert level trader, how we are going to manage that and all. We'll try to see it here. So this is going to be one of the important video for you. So please do not miss out. Subscribe to our channel and you will be getting a regular videos, and also we have got a courses also. You can try to join our courses and you will be getting assistance in the live trading. And also one of the important factor is how to manage the risk. If the person or if the trader is the best trader is the one, he knows how to manage the risk. Or even though I can be a maximum trade wins, I can be a maximum trade winner, but I may not be having a best risk reward skills. That means I'm not a good trader. Okay, so the market won't reward you. That's why it's very important to have a risk reward. All right, so that and all we'll be able to see it in our upcoming courses. Please join and subscribe to our video channel as well. Okay, so nevertheless, let's start. So on 22nd, what happened last Friday? Okay, so the last Friday, almost you can see the market trend was almost, every day there were buyers, institutional buyers, what we say. So below level, you can see whenever the market was touching the low of the day, so there were actually institutional buyers. That's why they were trying to drive the market a little bit upwards. So that's what this market structure tells you. You see, market structure is very important rather than not taking a buying or selling. Why market structure we always focus is in the institutional way of trading, that is actually the maximum winner. So maximum winner is the one where exactly he follows the institutions, he follows the big boys, he follows the big circle in the market. Majority of the circle, what we say, majority of the circle is towards the buyer side. The market will be in an uptrend along with other factors. And similarly, if the market majority they are in a downtrend or they are in a selling side, definitely market rewards towards the selling side. So that and all you can see in the market structure itself. You can see on a 22nd what happened. The ending was here, but on a 25th market opened uptrend. That's on last Monday. Market opened here, then again it tried to push up at a certain time frame. It was in a sideways, then again at the closing it gave a really good closure. That means at the uptrend. And similarly what happened on a 26th, that was on a Tuesday, there was a monthly expiry as well. And also, even though the market key players, that's what we say, the big boys, so they were ready here to sell at the highest level, and even though eventually the market closed at the lower levels. Similarly what happened on 27th, 26 after 27 on Wednesday, the market slightly upwards it opened, and then again it went to the ABCD again at the higher level. So the market sellers were waiting, and then again what happened, the high order or the higher level sell orders we had noticed here, you can see. And consecutively we can try to see it here as well. What happened on a 29th, 28th was the holiday because of the Bakrid and other things. Okay, so 28th was a holiday for the market, and 29th the market opened as exactly similar to where exactly it was closed on a 27 and ABCD session. So ABC session it was sustaining, and then again DE session, so market again F session second half and all it started selling a lot. And as soon as it actually came to GH and also, you can notice high volume node and low volume nodes consecutively they were actually appearing in this particular range. So you can notice here this gray color come brownish gray color, whatever you are able to see here. I am placing a cursor. So here and all low volume nodes has been reported. That means it is actually going to play a very important role as a resistance. Okay, so resistance I'm telling. And then again here you can notice high volume nodes also. That means in this level maximum sellers were sitting and they were actually pushing the market down. And here low volume node we are not interested. This zone is crossed. That means speed was very important factor here. There no one is here. You can see no one is here. That means this price range is going to act as one of the important resistance, and this is also going to be one of the support. Support is broken. Similarly, immediately the market came here, and then again at the lower end it was closed. And same thing it happened with the Bank Nifty also. You can see I have marked the lines on last 22nd. That means last Friday. What happened? Market was given a good boost. That was slightly buy on a lower levels happened. Institutional buyers were there, and similarly on a 25th Monday the market actually given a very good back gap up, and similarly closure was also very good. And even though anticipation was the good news from the geopolitical tension between the USA and Iran, so and market was anticipating, but what happened on a 26th? Immediately it was a sideways. Similarly on a 27 also it was in a range bound market. What we say, it's a balanced market. There is no such a great moment in between 26, 27, 26, as we already knew that was a monthly expiry, and then again 27th also it was almost a sideways range in a weekly range we are telling. And similarly 28th was a holiday, and 29th market opened here, try to go to the C level, you can say at the higher level, or at the as and when the market is reaching in this range, there are sellers. That means institutional sellers. That's how basically we have seen in the market profile and order flow as well. So we also took a trade here because market was signaling that it is a mild bearish might come, so that we were not actually in the right bullish side, mild bearish side. It was sensing from the ABC session, so that's what even we were at as soon as the C session crossed down, we took a short, and we were waiting for a market to come back till these levels. Immediately market was actually crossing this particular low volume node, so here we took a more shorts, and then again market reached here. We were anticipating the market range till it might reach here, so L session we exited. Okay, LMN, so L session we exited, and then again market was closed here. Okay, and tomorrow what can be the prediction? Tomorrow means 1st June. If the market opens here below this range, the yesterday's means that is 29th range below, and then again market tries to reach in this particular 22nd range, so we take a short and we keep a stop loss here at the low of the 29th. And similarly if the market opens here C above, and then again we take a consecutive buy orders, and then again we keep a stop loss at here in this range. Okay, or even though safe range is this one, the value area high, VAH, what we say. Okay, and also at regular intervals what we do, we actually take a this one the reference points as an example, VAH, VAL, and also point of control. So those are the reference lines for us to keep a correct stop loss, and as per the market profile and order flow analysis we keep moving our trade. Okay, so we actually continue accordingly. And also strict stop loss is very strict stop loss is really much required. So please take a confident trades. Okay, so don't be like in candlestick what happens, there will be this one emotional trade, red color green color, red color green color. So every time we'll be observing the screen chart, we may take a missed missed trades, or we might miss a certain trades. Here what happens in this market profile kind of charts and all, so we take a trade only when at a certain ranges. Okay, so only when the big players comes, key players comes, then only we take a trade. So this is what it plays a very important role. So please do not ignore, subscribe to our channel, and also you will be getting these kind of videos regularly. And also one of the important point, what I would say from my skill from 16 plus years of investment bank experience, what we say is, so these kind of charts are smart charts. Okay, so don't be with emotional trading because of the red color green color candles, but these kind of price level or zone level trade only when these institutional players they take it. So here the tick data will be released, and tick data will represent these TPOs. TPO stands for time price opportunities. These ABCD whatever you are able to see, these are all TPOs. Okay, so based on these only you take a trade, you will be more successful. And by saying this, so I hope you have learned a lot, and also we'll catch up in the upcoming videos. Until then, please subscribe and like our channel, and please share with your friends and colleagues as well. And till then, take care, bye bye, and good luck and happy trading. Yeah.